Okay, now moving on to the next question. Question number 68. This question is about the new industrial policy of 1991, which is effectively the new economic policy, right? The economic reforms that took place after 1990s. It reduced the number of industries reserved for public sector from 17 to 8. This is actually correct. You can use your common logic. Here you can say that 17 and 8 is there, so it's a factual question, but you can take a guess, right? 17 to 8, there is a reduction of sectors that are reserved for the public sector. It's quite highly possible. Okay, so earlier you have arms and ammunitions, atomic energy, railways, mineral oil, so those kind of sectors were actually reserved. But now even atomic sector has been various private sectors now has been enabled to participate. Shanti Bill, right? Shanti Bill has been discussed in another video. So Shanti Bill has enabled private sector to participate in the certain stages of the atomic energy supply chain. So this statement is here correct. It abolished licensing for most industries except for a few of strategic significance, again correct. It continued the MRTP asset limit of 100 crore for expansion of firms. Okay, so under the Monopoly and Restricted Trade Practices Act, they said that 100 crore is a limit for assets for a particular company, right? So if a company owns more than 100 crore worth of assets, then they will be treated as MRTP companies. That is, they are engaging in restrictive trade practices by default. Okay, that was the kind of restrictive regime we had before 1990. So it says that it is continued. Okay, by common logic you can say that this is wrong, and you can actually so 1 and 2 is correct. Option A is the answer. Okay, hope that is clear.